Meaning of half-arsed.
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 Half-arsed. The term half-arsed is used to describe something that has been done with little effort or care, resulting in a subpar outcome. It is often used in reference to work that has been rushed or not given proper attention. This can lead to mistakes, poor quality, and a lack of attention to detail. When things are half-arsed, they may appear incomplete or unfinished, and may fail to meet the expectations of those involved. Ultimately, doing things half-arsed can result in negative consequences and a loss of trust from others.